After my plant corner makeover video, I got a lot of compliments on these terracotta light fixtures. I want to get into detail of how I made these DIY pendant lights. Before we get into the light shades, let's go back to the beginning with the lighting cord. This is the triple pendant light cord that I got from Amazon. It serves as the whole structure for the light fixture, and it already comes with hardware, so you can easily install it on the ceiling, which is very convenient. This lighting cord uses the standard E26 light bulb that you can find in any hardware store. You can actually play around with this part. We decided to use the light bulb with a mirror bottom finish. We like the way it looks, and it also reflects light back to the ceiling so that we get diffused light. Now, to give the pendant lights a finished look, we want to add light shades. I'm a plant lady and I have a lot of plants at home that uses terracotta pots. To keep a consistent look, I thought maybe having terracotta light shades would not be such a bad idea. The pots were too deep and was actually hiding all the light. I'm going to use saucers, which is more shallow, and it's actually better because it will reflect light onto the table. I need to make a hole in the saucer to hold it up above the light. Using the method for making a perfect drainage hole in my other video, I'll be using a diamond drill bit to make a hole. But this time, I'm going to use a 1.5 inch drill bit. The key is to drill at an angle to make a dent, and then slowly move perpendicular to the pot. I'm going to be painting the inside white so it reflects more light, and also it gives it a nice clean look. After the paint dries, I'm going to be using a sanding block to clean up any paint that went over the edge. Here I am playing with the different sizes of the saucers. I also play with the different heights of the lights, so when I put it together, I think they'll have an interesting dynamic, and also it'll be asymmetrical on all sides that you look at it. I'm really loving how this is coming together, especially with the pink wall in the background. I also really love how the lights swing back and forth. It reminds me of a moving art piece. This is a grow light for plants. I also want to make a light shade for it, just for fun. Since all the light is directed downwards, I don't need a saucer to reflect light. In this case, a pot is better for hiding the base of the grow light. I'm going to repeat the same steps. The only difference is that I actually wet the pot to make it easier to drill into. For some reason, I was having a really hard time drilling into this one. Instead of using pots, you can use different things that you have at home, like plates or recycled glass. I would love to see your take on it. If you do decide to do this DIY project, don't forget to tag me at Feline Jungle on my Instagram so that I can share this with everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can also support my channel by subscribing and sharing this video to all your friends. Thank you so much, and see you guys next time. Bye!